Welcome back to Outgrow Tutorials. In this session, we'll walk through how to add or modify a lead generation form using the Outgrow Builder. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the Templates section from the top navigation bar. Browse the available ready-to-use templates and select one that best fits your use case. Set up your welcome screen by entering a heading, a subheading, and a CTA button to greet your users. Add your quiz or assessment questions along with the corresponding answer options. Define the outcomes that will be displayed to users based on their selected answers. Click the lead generation icon in the left panel. Here you can choose where to display the lead form, on the welcome screen, between questions, or on the outcome screen. Select the placement that suits your flow. Under the lead generation form tab, you can toggle on Facebook or Salesforce login to allow users to sign in with their existing accounts. Provide clear context for why you're collecting user information. Choose from options such as full name, first name, last name, email, phone number, US phone number, zip code, location, note/disclaimer, or any custom field. For each field, set an appropriate label and placeholder text. For email or phone number fields, configure the verification method: none, verification without OTP, or verification with OTP. Include a submit button to complete the form. Enable or disable the skip option depending on whether form completion is mandatory. Show or hide field icons using the toggle control. In the Advanced tab, you can add a redirect URL to send users to a specific page upon form submission. Enable Do Not Allow Duplicate Leads and select the fields, such as full name or email, to check for duplicates. Integrate with Clearbit by entering your Clearbit API key to enrich lead data automatically. In the Design tab, you can add a background image or video. Update fonts to match your brand. Adjust the form layout in the Layout section to control how fields are arranged. Before publishing, always click Preview to review the form experience from the user's perspective. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your content. From there, you can either share the live quiz URL directly or embed the quiz on your website. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today. Try it now.